Hey everybody, Bennett McDowell with TradersCoach.com. We get a lot of emails from customers wanting to know a little bit about TradersCoach.com, how we got started. So I thought I'd just take a few minutes here and do a little video on some of the history behind TradersCoach.com and how it formed in the whole 9 yards. Actually, the actual website was incorporated in the year 2000, but we actually had it available for a couple years before that. And what I did is I was using TradersCoach.com at first to correspond in a very text messaging way only with clients that I was managing money for. And I used to do that before I had the website, of course. And it was a great way to communicate. The internet was fairly new at that time, so it didn't have the sophistication that it has now where you can do like I'm doing now with videos and stuff. It was basically, typing. It was chatting basically back then. So that's what we used TradersCoach.com. I also had some forms on there if people needed to sign some regulatory forms and so forth. That was kind of it. Well, it progressed, and I did end up doing a lot of coaching that way for a while. And then we began actually to get questions from people that we were managing money for, like, how do you do this? How are you going in and out of the markets? What system do you use? And the software capabilities back then weren't quite what they are today. But nonetheless, we eventually coded our approach, our software system, so to speak, into software and introduced that to the general public in 2003. It's being used currently now by hedge funds and literally investors and individual traders literally around the world at this particular point. So it's been quite a success story in terms of where we came from and where we are now. And we now have online courses. We have many different types of educational content. I still do coaching on a limited basis. It's first come, first serve. I get filled up pretty quick. I do have a waiting list for that. I also have software on how to trade the financial markets. So if you go to our website at TradersCoach.com, you'll be able to access the content and see kind of a little bit more about how our software works and what we're all about. But you can always send us an email at TradersCoach.com and send it to support or sales at TradersCoach.com, and we'll get right back to you on that. And we're very, happy that we've been able to help people and traders around the world for literally the last, 23 years. And, that's quite a while. So we're pretty happy about that and proud about that kind of track record. And we continue to help traders to this very day. And, the markets are the markets, whether they are 20 years ago or now. Yes, things change. They have more sophisticated type of instruments to trade. They're always adding things like that, like the micros, and now we've got Bitcoin and so forth that we can trade. But basically, the entering and exiting markets using our form of technical analysis has stood the test of time and can be used in today's market. So if you need help with anything, reach out to us. We're here. And for those of you that are our clients, we thank you so much for being aboard and staying with us for so long. All right, so that's it. I just wanted to give a quick little update. Thank you.
Serving traders worldwide since 1998, TradersCoach.com provides educational services for traders and investors. We've developed trading software to help traders of every level improve their skills. Our site is dedicated to providing you with all the resources, software, and educational material you need to achieve your trading goals. It's because of our years of experience, attention to detail, and exceptional customer service that we're the right choice. Call us today.